This is proof that nothing is free. Well, it didn't cost me money. It was free, but just... Alright, here it comes! I don't know, at least 100 pounds. That's convenient. Oh my God. Stand back, Link. That's the part that's not free about free. Nope, still out of breath. Be right back. This is a walk behind mower from, I don't know, 1800s. The effort in hauling this crap out of his yard was, what's for that? that wheel right there. And that wheel right there. And actually the frame. So I think that's going to be part of version 3 of the RC lawnmower. And this was just a, I'd call it a bonus, but it's, I don't know if I would call it a bonus. Might be fun. I have batteries that could go in there. The mower deck, all the spindles actually move. So it is plausible, I'll have to Google what the difference between plausible and possible are, that the mower deck might be good, and it just so happens to attach to that thing. I gotta work on my pointing. And and I could use the mower deck with a different mower motor. What are the chances? It's not on the bead, it's all rusted. Oh, go baby. Wow, that took air. It's all dry rotted. There's a grease port on here. That probably hasn't seen grease in 20 years. And these are just, they move, but they're stiff. Let's see if we get lucky here. Wow, is that gonna explode in my face? I feel like it's gonna explode in my face. Alright, we'll leave them overnight, see what happens. Honestly, I picked this up because I wanted the experience. I wanted to look at it all. I wanted to tear it apart, which I've already started doing. Get my hands dirty on something free, so that when I do go and buy something for $100, I don't waste it all. And I can like check on things before I do all that. But it is literally a pile of garbage, minus a couple pieces. Hey, check this out. Next time you're in public and someone asks you to take a picture for them, do it so that your shadow bombs their photo.